I'm Dr. Brian here at Reach Health and Wellness. I've got Connor here today. He's letting me adjust him here, and it's going to be just to see kind of how we go through the flow of things. He came in with some back pain, was running bases, stopped hard on a base, really ended up tweaking his SI joints a little bit, and so we've been working on him for 3-4 weeks, and he's feeling great. So we're going to go ahead, and I'm going to get him adjusted. Just checking his alignment. I'm going to see how his leg length looks. He's just a little bit short on that right side, but really much better. And he's been feeling really good. So we're just fine tuning things at this point. We're gonna start that mid back. Connor, nice breath in for me. And then let it go. Good, nice breath in here. Yeah, let it go. There we go, perfect. Nice drop. Good. Meet you on the other side. Good. And then face up, just lying on your back. And that's doing really good. We're just gonna recheck, make sure we're moving, make sure we're nice and even. And then we're gonna check his neck here too. Neck and feeling good. You can like run faster and jump higher and throw harder, right? After we get you. After we get you adjusted. Let's moving that way. Starting right through there. Nice and easy. Good. One more, right there. Relax. Really good. Little stretch. Perfect. And that's about it. Been feeling awesome. How you feel, Connor?
Good.
Good. All right, thanks for watching. And so for his mid back, what I like to do is this adjustment here is a little bit of a bear hug. I'm gonna pick him up, put my hand on his back, and adjust him as he's breathing in. I'm gonna follow him out. Head up a little bit. Nice breath. And then let it go. Good, one more. Perfect. Yep, keep breathing, it's good. So the last adjustment we're actually going to do with Eric today is more of a traction adjustment. So it's going to create some long axis traction in the spine and help to create some space in a little bit different way. But sometimes it is the best way to get people moving, and it also breaks up some other adhesions that we don't want in there. So I'm going to have you pick your head up and then go ahead and relax. Good. Biggest thing here is just to relax. So we're just going to go off and on. A little stretch and then a quick pull. Nice stretch, nice pull. Good, and then we get you up from there. I think that's Eric's favorite part is that last one there.